Check 1, 2. We are now live and ready to start trading. We are seeing unprecedented volume coming through on the open, shifting our short-term outlook.
What's up? Happy Friday. We have officially made it until the end of the week. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing today? Hope everybody survived the week. It's been an interesting week for sure. And wouldn't you know, it wouldn't be Friday morning unless we were in an area that I have marked F around and find out. Now, this whole area yesterday, I avoided. And I took one short on stream with Becky right here. Got 30, 40 points and got stopped at a break even. Then I tried the same play again and I got a big win. It was like $1,500, $600. So I only took 2 trades yesterday. I did not want to take a trade in this whole purple box. Just because, I mean, look how much it chopped around. Yes, it was a big range, but it was a very choppy range. So, kind of have the same game plan as yesterday. Unfortunately, we're going to open in this range. So, I'm going to assume we're going to run down to about the 375 area and potentially get a bounce. But I'm thinking we just drop to this whole range, guys. We got about 4 minutes to open, so we'll see what happens. I think in a perfect world, for what I'm thinking, we come back up, we tap this 450 area, and then we die down to 375. That's kind of what I'm thinking. If we break out of this area, I might go long. We'll see. Let's go through the daily, 4-hour, all that good stuff. See what we got going on. So looking at the daily, it's hard not to be bearish. I was bearish yesterday. I was bearish the day before. Most people I know that were successful only took shorts yesterday, didn't take longs. I think Becky took 5 shorts on stream, something like that. So, I mean, game plan is still pretty much the same as yesterday. I'd like to see us break through that range. I think it was, under 300. I'd have to get the box back out. But so, I mean, bearish kind of looks like a janky head and shoulders. 4-hour is, let's see, it's coming up into some resistance. So I'm curious if it's going to hold or not. And we're gonna be in a chop zone. This area 450 is pretty key area. 1 hour. I mean, we're getting mixed signals, guys, on different time frames. And if I remember correctly, today is OPEX, monthly options expiration. So in my experience, market makers try to kill all these options expiring. So today's not going to be a day to be a hero. At least this morning, we're going to try to get our money and we're going to move on with our day. And something we have planned for you guys later is our new partner, Echo Trading. It's a copy trading software, journaling software. Has a social aspect to it. You can see how other successful traders are trading, things like that. The owner and founder is going to come on with me at noon, do a demo, kind of explain it, probably drop a good sale, maybe give away some stuff for you. And we're going to give a BluSky account away. So make sure you come back at noon. I know you guys want free stuff. I don't think we're going to get 100 people in here this morning or 100 likes because I'm not Mike and I get it. So stick around, take a break, come back at noon. We'll give some free stuff out. And you might learn a thing or two. Morning, Peter. Good morning, Louis, Marcus, Rajan, Micromaster, Marius, James, Aaron. You're cool too, Aaron. I get it though. $30,000 on a screen is a lot cooler than 500. All right, so we're about to open and we actually broke out of the range. So maybe we'll get a nice little pump. Got about 10 seconds, so let's see. All right, here we go. Let's see if we're going to continue the downside. I expect a lot of ping pong today, guys. A lot of ping pong, a lot of back and forth. If you've been watching me, well, especially during the lunch hour, but pretty much every play I've taken this week has gotten a TP1, at least while I'm on stream, TP1, and then ran right back to entry. So I'm kind of expecting more of the same today. Would love to catch a trend, but we'll see. We'll see if we can. If you want to take a very, very early play, I'm looking at like a 440, 450 short. I'm like LeBron James. I wish. All right, let's see if we drip on down to this 375 level, guys. And I think the last 3 Fridays, every play I've taken in the first 5 minutes has been an L. So we're just gonna sit back. We're gonna sit back and chill, guys. Sit back and chill. Wait for an entry. If you didn't see, this is my F around and find out box. But drip it on down. There's 375, guys. So morning thesis was correct. That's good. The time I don't take it. But there's your short-term short target. And next target is going to be 300. Under 300, it should get good. So if you were short, let me know. Man, I don't know what it was, but my mouth was so dry all night this morning. Been slamming water. All right, let's see if we get this break down. You want to break through this 300 level for shorts to really start cooking. I'm probably gonna wait till 300 at this point. You know, that was the initial move I wanted. You know, break back down to the range 375. So that hit. And once 300 breaks, my target's gonna be down here around 215. Around 215. If you're a VWAP trader, you might want to go short of VWAP. Be back up there. But definitely bearish until I see a reason not to be. If you guys aren't here, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, let's try to get this BluSky Algo picking us up. You're looking at VWAP at 418. Yeah, I'm not opposed to that. Not opposed to a VWAP touch. I don't know about you guys, but it's been a long week. I cannot wait to relax this weekend. Spend some time outside. Definitely sleep in. All right, here's that breakthrough. Let's see if we run down to the 300 level. I'm actually not opposed to try and make it a 375 short. Yeah, let's give it a shot. And we're going to get tapped in pretty quick to this. So let's see if, okay, we're in. I want to see this run all the way down to 300, guys. Oh, boom. Quick $200. Take it if you want it. So let's see if this actually continues. And pretty much every play I've taken this week. Okay, this is cooking. Damn. Let's go. Come on, do not do me dirty and go back to entry. Do not do me dirty. All right. There's TP1 right there, that red line, 330. That has hit. If this bounces back to entry, guys, I'm going to regret not taking profit. So we got about 330 is our next roadblock. Come on, baby. Let's do it. Boom. Chat, we are raging right now. Let's freaking go. That is how you start a Friday, guys. Come on, hit this TP. Come on, baby. Come on, a few more points. A few more points. A few more points. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh, NQ. That was dirty. That was dirty. Look how close to TP that got. Literally within 3 points. Get on back down there. Get on back down there. I swear, if this is another one that runs the TP1 and then just reverses on me, I might have to be buying a new keyboard later. With that, you're done for the day. Caught 160 points. Let's go. Let's go. There's no chance this turn makes a V-shaped recovery back to entry, guys, right? There's no way. All right, couple more points. You've got to be kidding me. Just do it already. I'll buy you a burger for $2.92. Man, I'm trying to get this 316. This just won't hit. Wow, and there goes like 75% of my gains. Get on back down there. Come on. Get on back down there. This has been the story of all week, guys. You get your PT1 and then just like boom, right back. I know a lot of my friends that I trade with on the side are incredibly frustrated with this price action for the whole month, honestly. Makes holding very, very difficult. I mean, we just saw 500 go back down to 150 with only 5 micros. Got destroyed this week. Yeah, month has been booty. Yeah, agreed. I think we can all agree that. Unless you're a range trader and you just love scalping these ranges, I mean, me as a momentum breakout trader, absolutely, I hate this. Like, there's no reason that should have not hit PT right there. In stocks and crypto, but opposite in future. Had to adjust this week. Yeah, for sure. For sure. PMI in 3 minutes. Ooh, good. Oh, man. Is this going to take me out? I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to let it ride, guys. Fuck, it was 2 points away from full PT. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's see. Do I just take profit before news? Last thing I want is news to just take me out. Come on. Give me this PT before news. Come on. 4 more. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Boom, guys. Damn, that was a wild ride. That was a wild ride. All right, now the real test is, can they get under 310? If we get under 310, this might actually be a fun day. But boom, we're up like $550 on that. That was a banger. Let me know if you took that with me. Let me know if you took that with me, guys. That was not an easy hold, seeing $500 go back to $100. But I mean, that was a solid 50 points right there, guys. No, yeah, 50. Yeah, 60? 60, I think. 292. I hope you get it, brother. I hope you get 292. This 310 is going to be a brick wall, though, because if you look at yesterday, see how many times we bounced off this? So just keep that in mind, that this is a ridiculous bounce zone. Well, look at this 15-minute candle is straight up bear. Straight up bear. So morning thesis played out perfect. I'm very, very glad that worked. That's my first win in a few weeks in the first, 10 minutes of market open. Got a late entry, but took the short. Let's go, Peter. Let's go. Let's go. I hope the team is eating this morning. I think I'm done. Fridays are historically the worst trading days. Yeah, I mean, that's why a lot of people take it off. Did you get that 292? 305. Damn. Look at that 50-point bounce. This area is brutal for bounces, guys. That was news too. News right at support. All right. Now let's see if we're gonna be stuck in here. You can try that same short again. But I've hit my profit goal for the day. So what do you guys do? We just hit almost $600. 10 minutes in the market open. Do you trade more? Do you log off? Do you switch accounts? What do you do? Let me know what you do. Drop your lot size, and trade more. I think the smart move is to switch accounts, but I don't want to start using a bunch of accounts on a Friday. But man, this is why I love trading. I mean, $600, that's like serious cash. If you think about it as a salary, like doctors don't make that money, a lot of them. And we just made it clicking buttons in here within 10 minutes. All right, so that zone is holding, guys. So if you took the short again, good job. Still alive. You are still alive. I don't know, man. Do you really want to hold out for that extra 15 points? Like this is a good area to just take it. It's up to you though. I think this is that same short Becky tried 3-4 times and just got partials and then stopped out a break even every time. Oh, your entry is 480. You're good. I would personally lock this in right here. But if you want to be right, you want to be right. On that second short done for the day. Let's go, Micro Master. If I wasn't streaming, my weekend would be started already. I'd be going to the weekend with a big smile on my face. saying I just killed the market. Let's get going. They do brunch on Fridays. That 310 level, guys, it's dangerous right now. It's holding hard. It should break down. It's just, is it going to? I'm in Florida. All right, is she gonna go? Is she gonna go? That 310 is trying its best to hold. Needs to just bust through here, run to 280, honestly. So that 15-minute ORB printed, we're under it. Oh, there's your 292, bro. Good job. Good hold. All right, do we re-enter a short now is the question. Is the question. Here's the breakdown area. So let's see. Let's top 280. Get some confirmation, and then maybe ride this sucker down even further. Down to, what is this all down here? 220. 220 would be nice. All right, here's that 280. Okay, we're out of the F round and find out box. I'd love to see this 310 hold. Love to see this 310 hold. Man, we need more people in here. We are printing this morning. Damn, I already finished my water. Might have to re-up, guys. Might have to re-up. All right, gonna get this closed under here. I'm gonna play a little bit smaller. I'm just gonna preserve my profits, and let's go for a 310 sell. If it goes, it goes. 257 is my next target. And then ultimate looking for around the 220 area. So the bearish read on the market was in fact correct. All right, we should get tapped in here. Let's see if it's going to go according to plan or not. Did that not get tapped? How did that not get tapped in? Wow. Come on, NQ. That's just rude. Just rude. Now, I don't know if I like it that much. All right, well, we're in. I'm not sure how much I like this that third time around. I think I might cut this when it goes green. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of that. I don't like this, guys. I don't like that when it taps the entry like 3 or 4 times. Usually ends up busting through it. If it drops, it drops. I'm just gut feeling on this one, guys. Yeah, looks like it would have worked out. Oh well, I'm fine with that. I already got my profit in my pocket for the day. If you are in, targets 280 again, and then more. Oh man, blew through PT1. Oh well. Oh well. If you are in, good stuff. Good stuff. This session is going to be a little bit shorter just because I do have to get with Aaron from Echo Trader just to hash out a few things before the interview at noon. So, but that's fine. We've already gotten, I think I took the one win and then the 2 other plays worked out perfectly. So hopefully you were short bias with me, use me as confluence. Hopefully you made some money. Let me know if you are green. It's always good to end the week green, guys. Green today, green for the week. Let's go, Peter. Let's freaking go. All right, so PT1 hit again and right back to entry. All right, I'm kind of curious because I thought going into today we'd get the one morning move and then it would be terrible. So let's see if I was right. Super green, let's go. Let's go. If we do break back into this range, you can probably play longs up into it. I don't want to play any longs today though. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta type something up real quick. Oh, look at that. Finally went. All right, so that play ended up smacking. 230. Yeah, 220 is my next downside target. Wow, look at that bounce. This is the price action I was expecting. Off to the day job. Later, man. All right. Let's see if we're going to bust back into range now. What did the 4-hour candle close like? Oof. Look at that. Bulls tried. Bear said, hell no. We're in the house. All right, I'm assuming most shorts got stopped out here. So now we want to see, we're back in the F round and find out range. Is this candle going to close up here? Are we going to start a little buy model and stair step our way up? You know, something like this. I can see that in the picture. You know, we rode the shorts down all the way. That played out absolutely perfectly. We're all rich. We can all quit our day jobs. Everybody can retire. Let's go buy that yacht, you know. Just like Blue Guy in our videos. We got the Lambo. We got the yacht now. We live in our penthouse. All off that one trade. Remember, 310 is kind of that. Let's just call it 300. Make it easy. 300 is our pivot. Golf is in my immediate future. Let's go. That's how you spend a Friday, man. That's how you spend a Friday. Stir fries. All right. So I think long scalps are here. I don't like longing when I have a bearish bias. It would be a scalp if I did it. At this point, look for a deep retracement to go short. A lot of back and forth right now, guys. Yeah, I'll take some stir fry too, man. Is anybody long? Kind of curious. If anybody's gonna take the long, try to ride it up. Like I said, I'm not going to, but this is a good setup. Good short term little setup. You wanna kind of see this play out. He makes stir fry Friday. Nice. There you go. Long NQ, 2 cons. Ooh. Sizing on a Friday. Good at you. Now, my full bear target for the day, guys, because we're not going to be here much longer. 220, and if we lose 220, I want 120. 120 would be about my full target. And that would kind of line up with my daily range I have marked down here. So if you want to be a hero, there's your full target. Went down 1K, now up $5. I talk about how it's crazy how fast you can make money in futures, but it's pretty crazy how fast you can lose it too by doing dumb stuff, stupid stuff, right? A couple bad decisions, can set you back. 500. Oh, damn, nice recovery, dude. Nice recovery. All right. Got a little bit of time left. Let's see if we can maybe catch one more play. All right, there's that next target, 260-ish. This breaks down. I mean, this is gonna run to 220. This whole thing might be playing out. I don't know, Aaron. Maybe the first few minutes of the market just ain't your time. It's usually not mine, and I know it, and I just accept it. Same with Monday mornings. I know Monday mornings are my enemy, so I just stay away from them. Monday mornings are kind of like the school bully for me. If you walk down that certain hallway, you're gonna get punched. So I just don't go down that hallway. I stay away from Monday mornings. All right, we have clearly broken. Oh my god, we have clearly broken structure. Clearly, so next leg is coming, guys. If you want to try to get in that 280 to 300 area, I think is your friend. Let's see. Do I try to get in? What do we think, chat? Should I do it? Or should I just keep my $600+ and ride off into the, I say ride off into the sunset, but it's 10 in the morning. All right, 280 got tapped in. I looked away for 1 second and I did not get it. I did not get it. So it's most likely going to go without me. I'll put it up there just to check. Just to check. We'll try. We'll try it again. See if we get tapped in. What's the weekend plan, guys? Where are we all going clubbing tonight? Getting VIP AA Ron. I know AA Ron's going clubbing. I can't even think the last time I went to a club. Besides like a concert. I did go to a DJ show. God, was it about 2 years ago? No, a year and a half ago, maybe. It was in like the part of town where all the, I don't know, it's like all clubs and stuff like that. And God, I swear, I was like, felt like I was with a bunch of children in there. Now here's the breakdown. Here's the breakdown. Like to find a country. Yeah, that sounds way better than a club. Not gonna lie. If you want to chase a little bit, 260 is not a bad entry. Which I will do. See if we get it before the stream ends. Here comes 220 then. Just going right to it. So today, actually relatively clean compared to the whole month. And levels are actually holding. We're actually getting continuation. Ended up being a pretty decent day. And by the amount of people in here, it seems like everybody's done already. Looks like everybody's already done for this Friday. But man, TA has been on point. Bias has been on point. So I'm happy. Late for my tea time. Had to watch 2 boomers today. Let's go. Let's go. And guys, remember, noon, we have a guest speaker, one of our new partners, Echo Trading. Aaron, the founder, CEO, very cool guy. I've talked to him a handful of times already. I use the product personally. I beta tested it. Just I'm not going to let anybody walk into BluSky, guys. I traded multiple accounts. I sized heavy. I marketed in. I marketed out. And slippage, I mean, less than a point. It's been a really good experience so far. And I don't know if you guys saw the email, but they're doing as a solid. Anybody funded with BluSky, anybody that passes the eval, gets 2 weeks free to try it out. And I believe code BluSky gets you a discount. I can't remember. Aaron will definitely let us know. That is a good question. I believe right now it is Tradeovate only, but he's gonna do a full walkthrough. So I'm gonna let him do it. Okay, so this is where it gets tricky. We did hit PT1, and now it bounced back to entry. So is it going to play nice is the question. I'm going to give this till 280. We're not going to risk too much money. But I'm curious if maybe this is going to be the range for the day, because this was the range for yesterday as well. So we'll have to see if we're going to get any more continuation. Based on the daily range, we have another 100 points to go, I'd say. Is that you, JMO? This is JMO. Who are you? Made 900 plus on the short from 304. JMO, I haven't heard that name in a while. Oh, I might have to get on a massage this weekend, guys. Might have to make it a weekend thing. Every weekend, just go do it. Borrow things. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. I used to be known as J-Mel in another life, guys. All right, yeah, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this. I think we'll end the stream 5 minutes early, guys. I'm gonna go get with Aaron. We're gonna get prepped for this interview and demo. We're gonna do in about an hour and a half. Plays are done for the day, guys. In my opinion, I'm closing charts. I will not be opening them again for the rest of the day. Remember, 310 is your pivot point. 310 is your pivot point. Mark that on your chart. 310, and then 120 or 220 is our downside target. So yeah, I think our range to kind of stay away from is 220 to 310 now. We can move the F around and find out box down to there. But just to recap, guys, 60 points right off rip it open. The second play that I'd cut short ran right to target for another 70, 80, something like that. But that's it. Have a great week. If you're green, post in the Discord. Let's really try to pack this house. Let's make Friday a party. I want to give you guys free stuff. And remember, there's going to be free stuff at noon from BluSky, from Echo, maybe someone else. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But take it easy, guys. Until I see you on Monday, or until I see you at noon, stay profitable.